CM Tuliram Ronghang concludes election campaign on a happy note. 21 families joins BJP. A very good morning to all the viewers and welcome to Karbin Long Live Morning News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now let's look into the news in detail. On the last day of his campaign for the BJP candidate from Baithalangso LAC Rup Singh Theron, KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang held a meeting at his home constituency, Bithung Rengthama in West Karbi Anglong. During the meeting held in his constituency, KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang said that in order to receive the more support from the government, people should always remain with the party in power. He stated that the party not in power cannot help the people as they are not a part of the government. He explained to the people about the various schemes mentioned by the BJP in their election manifesto. He urged the people to vote in favor of BJP and make Rup Singh Theron with a margin of more than 1 lakh. During the meeting, 21 families who earlier supported Congress and other parties formally joined the BJP. CM Tuliram Ronghang himself welcomed and felicitated the new members. The BJP supporters also expressed their joy over the assurances given by the CEM and claimed that their party candidate Rup Singh Theron will win the election by thumping majority.
Ajuling lui benetum kacasong hemprega putha Assam Assembly along labang thota kapaning je tumper government sorkar atung prabjin pen RD nang pipen kapicun ji aphat pen chenglo.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. On the last day of campaigning for the second phase of assembly election in Assam, the Congress held a grand meeting at Hanjang Langso. Congress candidate for Bokajan LAC seat, Roton Ingti, said that his party would win the seat by 70 votes and said that the massive turnout of people at the day's meeting is a proof of his claim. Here is a report. Addressing the meeting, Congress candidate Roton Ingti had heavily slammed the BJP government, accusing them of falling on all of their promises and termed the party Jumla Party. He said that it is right time to oust BJP from Assam. He assured that Congress is not a fake party and will work to uplift the poor and weaker section of the society.
কিন্তু কংগ্রেস পার্টি রাইজ এলাকা পার্টি সব শ্রেণী আর সকল দুঃখীয়া মানুষ চিন্তা করা পার্টি এইটো কাৰণে কংগ্রেস পার্টিয়ে চিন্তা কৰি হৈছে যে 2000 কৈ যন্ত্ৰৰ পকেট মানি হিচাপে দিয়া হ'ব 2000 টকা পাৰ মান্থ এইটো দিয়া হ'ব আমাৰ হাউস ফাইভ হ'বৰ কাৰণে নাই মানে তো ভাগ লাগে না নালাগে কংগ্রেস সরকার জুমলা পার্টি নহয়.
Speaking to the media persons, Roton Ingti said that Congress will definitely win the Bokajan seat as the people are turning away from the BJP. He said that the overwhelming support he had seen from the crowd attending the meeting is a signal for the party's comeback.
Kaya long highest vote pen hai po 70,000 vote pen hai po ladak nang litum thek long lo ran atum mansi litum gari pura ta kipiu ne litum ke matto 2 3 4 5,000 amuni mansi tu han cho for bis tame ladak la na ki ong amulu suring ko ne bak armu sami do nali tum thek long lo hili tum ne nang nang moisa ki men ke ban kali lo ran atum se ani kya se nang bar fu BJP tum ke chok che yo ne se BJP tu rat phagi chale ga yo ne se ke BJP tum ke claim ye fu ana ka ke claim ke pacho bai yo ne.
Deephu LAC candidate Sumrong Hang and Hauraghat candidate Sonjip Theron, along with other leaders including District President Khorsing Ingti and General Secretary Dr. Mongvi Rongpi and several others attended the meeting. Meanwhile, the final day campaign of the Congress party held at Hanjang Langso was scheduled to be attended by the party's national leader Rahul Gandhi and other state leaders. However, due to bad weather, they could not make it to the meeting. Through a video released on Tuesday, Rahul Gandhi said that if the Congress comes to power in the state, they will implement the Article 244A to the Constitution of India, which provides the creation of an autonomous state in Assam.
Rahul Gandhi ৰিপুনমৰা প্ৰদেশ কংগ্ৰেছৰ সভাপতি আৰু আমাৰ জিতেন্দ্ৰ সিং ডাঙৰীয়া, লগতে আমাৰ ছত্তীশগড়ৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ভূপেশ বাঘেল ডাঙৰীয়া, আমি সকলো ৰাহুল গান্ধীৰ লগত আপোনালোকৰ বোকাজানৰ সভালৈ যাবলৈ আমি ওলাই আহিছিল। যোৱাকালিয়েই আমি শিলচৰত বাহৰ পাতি আছিল আৰু শিলচৰৰ পৰা আমি দুখন হেলিকপ্টাৰ ইয়াত যোগাৰ কৰি ৰাখিছিলোঁ, এখন ৰাহুল গান্ধীৰ কাৰণে আৰু এখন আমি যাবৰ কাৰণে। আৰু ৰাহুল গান্ধী সেইমতে আহি পালেহি দিল্লীৰ পৰা বিশেষ বিমান লৈ, কিন্তু বেয়া বতৰৰ কাৰণে তেওঁ শিলচৰত লেণ্ড কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে।
आखिरी बात, जो हमारे हिल ट्राइब्स के लोग हैं, बीजेपी आप पर भी आक्रमण कर रही है। आर्टिकल 244A को वो स्क्रैप करना चाहते हैं। हम आर्टिकल 244A को इम्प्लीमेंट करके आपको देंगे। भाई और बहनों, इस चुनाव में कांग्रेस पार्टी को, महाजोत को पूरा आप समर्थन दीजिए, भारी बहुमत से जिताइए और जो हम आपके लिए करना चाहते हैं 5 गारंटीज, वो हम करके दिखाएंगे। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Anant Terang from Bokajan and Rosan Ansi report from Deepu, Karbi Anglong Live. Local organization Karbi Anglong Territorial Social Security Association, or the KATSA, has also charged the BJP MLA candidate for Bokajan, Dr. Numol Momin, of man with divisive agenda. This was stated in a press conference convened at Koilamati on Monday. The press conference at Koilamati Weekly Market was held at 2 p.m. While addressing local media, the local organization urged upon the local people of Koilamati area to only vote for candidates other than the BJPs. The organization said they were extremely shocked and hurt with the statements of Dr. Momin, who described all organizations in the district are only after monetary gains. KATSSA or KATSA also severely criticized Dr. Momin for calling organization as dalals. Further, the local organization said that terming Article 244A of the Constitution as that issue was highly despicable. The organization leaders say that people of the hill districts had voted him in order to be the people's voices and strengthen their issues and demands, and therefore his activities and statements are totally unacceptable.
Yong si alang li misena son ti kedam tanda misena pot si katwa wita chirap chitu dun lo alang li pan pi hai lo non pi hai det pena bangke Karbi pan lang piksi pini ke alang li na puson Karbi bubuki akam sinang lemrong la pot si song atum an ning ti duk chipak lang si Karbi akhe ki lu ke long akhe methang along ri long pat vir det pu po kama tha pensi pini Dr. Mumina pan pirem nangji ko bangke song atum takin.
The press conference was chaired by KATSA Central President Samson Inti, Nilip KATSA President Mohendra Kathar, and was attended by Secretary Matthew Togby and members Bimol Inti, Martin Kathar, Daniel Hansing. In addition to this, Koilamati area SGB Lawrence Teron was also present at the press conference. Samson Inti from Koilamati and Sonjip Crow from Chokihola, Karbi Anglong Live. And those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.